Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of City. You know what time it is, it's cafecito time. For today's cafecito time, I'm gonna share with you what I bought at the Nespresso Boutique. If you haven't watched my latest video from another Nespresso Boutique, make sure you go check it out. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Hit the notifications so you know when our videos are coming, and stick around for our cafecito, and you don't want to miss out what's in my bag. So stay tuned. Okay friends, if you're new here, my name is Veronica. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. I make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. And like I said, if you haven't watched my last video I uploaded, it was from the Nespresso Boutique. I went to visit a different Nespresso Boutique, and it was a really good experience. So make sure you check that out. This is my haul of the things I bought, and it's not all coffee. So I just wanted to share with you. I know, I don't know about you guys, but I do like to see hauls, unboxings of things. I like to see what people buy, what they find. So I figured, why not do a little something different and share with you guys what I bought. And yes, the bag's a little big and a little heavy. I'm going to start off with coffee. I didn't buy too much coffee this time because I had previously ordered all the Reviving Origins. And if you haven't watched those videos, I did review all of the new Reviving Origins coffees for this year. I'll link those below. Make sure you go watch those reviews if you haven't decided if you want to buy them or try them yet. Go check that out. So I just picked up some of my favorites. If you don't know, also Nespresso is going to discontinue some coffees. I got the email, I shared it on my community tab, and that's why you gotta subscribe, because if you subscribe, you'll see my community tab, and I share, you know, my videos and other random or Nespresso related information. So yeah, Nespresso said they are going to discontinue some coffees. Maybe they're your favorite, maybe they're my favorite. So I said I better stock up and bought a couple. One of them is Giorno. It's on the lighter side, but it's pretty good. Actually, Mr. Cafecito really likes this coffee, so I ordered. I had already bought one in my previous order. I got him that one, so I got another one, and I might order a couple more. So Giorno is one of the coffees I bought. And another coffee they're discontinuing is El Vazio, which is also a light. So let's see. This one's intensity 4 and this one's intensity 4 as well. So these are pretty good. I haven't done reviews on these, and I actually wanted to do reviews on some of the other coffees, some of the lighter coffees, because I know some people prefer lighter coffees. But now they're being discontinued, so I don't even know if I should do a review or not. Let me know if you still want me to review these Giorno and El Vazio, even though they're being discontinued. That's what I got. And then my all-time favorite, which if they ever discontinue this coffee, Nespresso, I will cry. I will be very sad. I will be very unhappy. So don't you dare discontinue Mexico from Master Origins. It'll literally break my heart. So this is what I got. So these were the only coffees I got. Like I said, I had a lot of them already, so I really didn't need to buy a lot. What I did get though is, let's see, samples. They always give you, well, not always, but make sure you ask, because sometimes when you go to the store, they forget. But if you ask, they'll give you samples. Those are my samples. And then don't forget to always get your little recycle bags. So I got some recycle bags. This actually, Mr. Cafecito saw it and he liked it and he thought it was very cool. And I said, let's grab one and try it. It's the Nomad Collection Nomad bottle. So I'm only going to just show you guys what I bought. I'm not going to do like a full-on review. But if you want me to, I will. So it's basically a glass bottle for your iced coffee. And I believe this one, I don't even know the price. Is my receipt in here? Let me see. I'll tell you guys the prices. This is the large one, $20. Which, if you think about it, it's not that much more expensive than some of the Starbucks water bottles and such. So I figured, why not? Looks pretty cool. So that's what it looks like. And it is, oh, you guys, I thought it was glass. It's actually plastic. 18 ounces actually. I believe it is 18 ounces. I can't really see the information, and it doesn't really have it anywhere in the box. So basically it's plastic. I thought it was glass, but that's okay. And you could carry it, so you know it's good for travel or going places. It has a little lock mechanism, so you could open it up, and it has a straw in there. And I think it's doubled. Oh, and it comes with an extra straw. That's pretty cool. Nice touch, Nespresso. So, and it says it's only for cold. Do not put your hot coffee in here because you'll mess it up. Okay, now I have to figure out how to, oh, there we go. So you squeeze it on the side here and twist a little bit. And there you go. It has its built-in straw. So I will be using this. So if you want me to do a more in-depth review, I will. Yeah, so this is the Nomad from the Nomad collection, and they do have a smaller one. Hate that noise. They do have a smaller size. I believe it's like 16 ounces or so. And I think the difference in price was only like $2 or something. So we figured, let's just get the bigger one. So that was one thing I got. Another thing I bought was Nespresso Recycle Bin. Is that what it's called? Yes, upcycling bin. Okay, so since I bought the Nespresso machines, you know, I really like the whole idea of recycling the capsules, and I've been just putting them in a bag. I'll show you guys a picture, but I just been putting them in a bag, hanging on the door where my washer is, and yeah, that's all I've been doing. I didn't want to have it just on the floor, or I don't know. It's just been kind of, I don't really have a big place, so I don't have a whole lot of places to put it, and I just using that bag. I get the recycle bag, and I put the recycle bag inside another bag and hang it from the door. Yeah, it's a little tacky, but hey, you do what you got to do. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this because it's just gonna be neater, more convenient. Probably looks nicer too. So this is it. Yeah, this is it. So you basically, I believe, get one of the bags, one of the recycle bags. Let's see how it has little, like a little flap there on both sides. Woo! So there's the lid. Oh, I see. Okay. So recycle bin. That's what it looks like. It's just, it's not very big actually. It's probably about the size of my virtual machine. So not huge if you don't have a lot of space. The bin may be used with or without a plastic bag. Oh, okay. I think I'm just going to use it with the bag because I don't want to have to be cleaning it. I mean, I'll clean it, but I think it might just be probably a little neater. So put your bag. You put this back. And you snap it. And that's it. And then it has, so you could carry it like this. And then it has a lid actually. Oh yeah. Guys, it has a lid. I was like, how am I going to put my capsules in there? So it had, so this actually seals it pretty good. So also it won't get like smelly in your kitchen or wherever you keep it. Oh, this is cool. I am very excited, and it has, Nespresso on there. This is not, actually for $20, this is actually not bad. At first, I thought, I don't know if I want to pay $20, but it does a trick. It does a trick. It's nice. It's compact. It'll fit perfectly next to my regular trash can, and then this way I don't have to have it hanging from my door from my washing machine. So yeah, that was from my haul, and this was $20. So $20, and I did have my machine plant credit, so you know that helps. Another thing I bought that I wanted to share with you, and these are just coffee things, coffee related items. They're not from Nespresso, but I'm like, you know what, we're sharing, so I'm going to share with you guys. I went to this new coffee shop, and maybe I'll do a little review of it or show you my little cafecito adventures. It's called Cargo, and it's by Lavazza. If you don't know, Lavazza is an Italian coffee brand, which before Nespresso was really one of my favorites. Every time I went to a coffee shop or somewhere where they served Lavazza coffee, I ordered coffee. And they just recently opened up near me, and they serve all Lavazza coffee and products, and they had a lot of nice Lavazza items, coffee and cups and just cool things. And I saw this and I was like, I must buy it. I must have it. It's too cute. I know I'm a sucker for cute things sometimes. So it's a little bottle. Maybe you could see there it says Lavazza. Lavazza. Can you guys guess what this is? Can you guess what this little tiny bottle, made in Italy? You guys, it's a little bottle for your creamer, for your milk, for your coffee. I thought it was so adorable. You know, if you have guests over or you don't want to bring out your big container of creamer or half and half or whatever you use. Pour it in there. You put the little lid on, and then it has a little opening. I haven't used it yet because I just bought all these things and I haven't washed them, and I wanted to save them for the haul of the video. But yeah, see, you have your cup and you pour your little creamer there. It's a little bit small. They only had this size, and it was $7 and change, so not too crazy expensive. I literally thought this was gonna be like $15. So for $7, not too bad. Very cute. I'm excited to try it. So I just wanted to share that with you. And another thing I bought recently is this Rae Dunn electric milk frother. I do have my little, I honestly, guys, I haven't been using my Arancino that much. Sometimes I just think it's more of a hassle because the way I have my setup here, I have to unplug everything or move it over to another area of my kitchen, plug it in, and then the cleaning. And I don't know, sometimes I just don't even want to use my Arancino. And I've had a couple little issues with it, so I don't use it as much. So I've been using one of these little frothers, which works great, but this one is very small and it is from IKEA. And I bought like multiples of these because I use it so much, it kind of messes up or breaks. But this one I thought was cuter. It's bigger. It has a little stand. I'm not like a huge Rae Dunn fan. I'm not like, you're not going to see my whole Rae Dunn collection because I don't have one. But I know Rae Dunn's popular. Her items are popular. People love it. But yeah, it's just a frother. And that's what she looks like. If you're interested, I had no idea. So it was cute. And it wasn't very expensive. I seen some online for more. And I figured I don't have to order it and wait for it to come in. I bought this at Home Goods. And it was $7.99. You guys could see the price there. $7.99. And I thought, oh, it's white. It'll match my little Lavazza creamer bottle. But the thing that I really, really liked about this, or I think is going to be good, is the stand. The other one I don't have a stand for. It's smaller, so I think because it's a lot smaller, it kind of takes a little bit longer to froth things. If you know anything about Rae Dunn, that's like her signature font on everything. So, and it's just plastic. but it says froth. So I thought that was cute. It does take batteries, which I have to put in here. And then on and off button. But like I said, the one thing I really, really liked was the stand. I don't have a stand for this. Sometimes I'm like, where do I put it? You know. And then like I said, yeah, the whisk itself is a little bigger and thicker than this one. And I think it'll just look nicer on my little coffee station here. So that's it. That's my haul. This is my latest coffee and coffee related items I bought from Nespresso, from other places. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like these hauls and unboxings of items? I will do a more detailed, in-depth review of the Nomad bottle. I will, maybe I'll make a recipe, iced coffee recipe, pour it in here and show you guys how it works. Kind of like a test. And that's it. This is my haul. This is my video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, if you like my videos, make sure to give us a thumbs up, a like, leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any of these things. Have you bought the bin? Have you bought this bottle? Let me know what you think of my other little finds, coffee finds. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification so you know when our videos are coming, Sundays and Wednesdays. A lot of stuff going on. Sundays and Wednesdays are upload times, and that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next week, and enjoy your cafecito.